Good morning, students. My name is Mr. Stuffy Dick. I'm your practical teacher for today's lessons. I'll teach about practical sex, okay? So, introduce your name to me. Let I know your name. Sir, Papi show my name, no, sir. You wanna only Papi show, no, boy, you know. No, there's Papi show, no. Sir, my name Captain Clown. I always know, sir, I mistake the girl and she can eat a bit in a circle. I will teach you how to have sexual intercourse with someone. So, let's start. And this is my teddy bear. She is Miss June. She will teach you guys how to have sex. Okay? Let's turn to page 32. On page 32, you guys will see how to have sex with someone. Alright. The question is, if a girl turn around back way, which direction would you should give? Top or bottom? You know? You idiot? They no must know which part should be full. Alright, Miss June here. Miss June will show you a look at. Okay? Miss June, I want you to show me examples. Tell this fool how you get work last night. You ready, Miss June? Okay. Listen, you turn her back way on her own. If she won't go on her own, you turn her back way on her own. Okay, guys? Lift up one foot. Then you set it. Then you start work. You take it time. You can't go hard, you know. She will run you at first. You see? Remember, you know, you can't go hard. I'm not going to say sometime, you know, when it gets sweet and go down in the nitty gritty, you feel around, you know, you see, you feel. No, but nah, man, you have just go normal at first. So you say, Papi Show, you want to try? Miss June? I will give Papi Show a try for you, okay? Miss June. Yes, you want it back? Done with Miss June. Give me this. You walk like a fear. You eat that? Miss June, you make you? Down the heart. Let me check it. Oh, she? You're a man too hard. I'm not give her back again. I'm not give her back. And to the next question. Name 3 positions that a woman always loves. Mama do missionary with Miss June. Miss June I like that one there. Miss June I like that one there. I'm saying, nah, do it with Miss June. You hear that? Miss June. You know you're not going to. What you think about it? If you give Miss June?
Oh no!
So it's up to you if you want to give me. I don't think you should give him still like I used to deal with Miss June. Miss June would have left you. I not give him that. You have 3 types of position. First, you have a position named wet caution. You see that one there? The wicked, the epic. You have to wine and a dance. Miss June tell him to get it last night. I eat all you know. But I like that one I want to take it from you.